Breaking news about the Oreshnik. A few days ago, the Ukrainians have released some data that they got from the debris that they collected on all the three known attacks. And for those who don't know, the Oreshnik is a Russian medium-range ballistic missile that has the peculiarity of having 36 independent re-entry vehicles. Each one is a kinetic warhead, and all the damage that it does is obtained through kinetic energy. It is not a precision weapon, it is an area saturation weapon. So far, Ukraine has been hit 4 times with an Oreshnik. Ukrainians admit only 3 attacks, but actually there were 4. So a few days ago, the Ukrainians released some pictures, some information about what's inside the Oreshnik from what can be desumed by the debris. This is just a quick overview of their findings. The first thing, there are no foreign components in the Oreshnik, unlike many other Russian weapons. All the components are either built in Russia or in Belarus, including, and with particular reference to the integrated circuits. Ukrainians say that the guidance is only inertial, which is honestly difficult to believe that in 2026 the Russians didn't put at least a GLONASS, a satellite navigation system on the missile, but that's what Ukrainians say. And also the Ukrainians say that the components that are used in the Oreshnik are quite old. They also say that there are vacuum tubes that go back to the Soviet time. There's also a picture, but honestly is another thing that is difficult to believe. But probably the most relevant thing is that the components that have been found in Bielazverka have been manufactured in 2023 to 2025, which means that there is indeed a production going on that is capable of sustaining the missile production. The components retrieved from the previous attacks were older. There were probably parts coming from existing stocks. But now it seems that there is indeed a production going. This is a subject that we need to go back to and analyze in detail because it's particularly interesting. The Oreshnik is a weapon that is unique. There's no equivalent in the world. I'm doing this video because, well, normally I would have done a short vertical format, but considering the way YouTube works today, well, shorts are basically useless, so I thought, so for the next long form video, we go back to China and we will talk in missiles. For the Oreshnik, there will be a long form video further down the line analyzing in details these findings. So if you want to support the channel, please click and watch the videos that are appearing beside me. In the meanwhile, thank you very much for watching and see you next time.